Mihango ya umuthenya ni rugamire kwa ihinda taunini ya Naikuru thutha wa arutwo a thukuru wa mathomo ma urigitani KMTC kurungana barabaini nginyagia wabici-ini ya gavana magikumithia kuhamwo gwa kiharo gia thukuru. Undu uyu ugicungiriria mihango wabici-ini ya gavana kurugama kwa ihinda, arutwo aya magitinika kihingo-ini kia wabici ici na mathing'iriria maririe. Kuringana na arutwo aya matiwe mwaka ucio unako no undu uria marekwa waya gukorwo uri mwaka wa mundu kiumbe.
The land of MTC have been grabbed without following any legal process. We are just seeing uncoordinated and projects that are going on there, and when we try to inquire, we have been told that even the governor is aware.
Ona kuhana uguo thirikari ya kaunti kuhitukira minister wa ugima wa mwiri Gicuki Kariuki ni makomithitie mururungano ucio akiuga arutwo ni gucogerwo maracogerwo niguo guthukia ritwa ria kaunti ino.
But what do students have to do with the ownership of land? And what is not coming up is not a private thing, it's a government thing. What business do they have with? And besides, it's going to help them to learn, and to, if they ever find themselves with cancer, they'll be treated there, or even their parents or their friends.
Gicuki ugite gicunji kia mugunda kiria arutwo aya marateta kiri thibitari-ini ya Naikuru level 5 na uria ni mugunda wa thirikari oro hamwe na thukuru uyu, na mwaka ucio urakwo ni thirikari nene na thirikari ya kaunti ukihuthira ciringi nuthu bilioni.
That place has been fenced off to put a bunker for radiotherapy so that we don't refer our clients to either Eldoret or Nairobi.
Aruti a wira mwako-ini uyu matigirwo matari na wa gwika thutha wa kuhamurithio na mahiga ni arutwo aya aria macokire gwithara na mabati na mbao. Na ku kaunti-ini ya Murang'a mathikuota aria maikaraga itura-ini ria Tumutumu gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Masinga ni marurunganire magikaya kuruturwo mugunda-ini wa eka 25 uria makoretwo magikara kwa ihinda iraya.
Tumutumu thirikari ni tuthinetie itongagia nene mabwenyenye iria cie thirikari-ini ndio kana marenda gwakira muingi mocarĩ kana marenda gwethera muingi wa guikara ku gitumi undu wa mbere ni marendia migunda makendia andu kundu mari kuo na matirenda kuhuthira gatiba na matirenda kuhuthira sheria.
Aikaria ya makiuga makoretwo makenyarirwo ni maabitha wathani wa matura kuma mwena wa Machakos na tabarĩra cia uthii wa na mbere citimakinyagira riu makihoya macokio mwena wa Murang'a.
Tungehomba serikali yoyote mahali iko ijue Tumutumu kuna watu ambaye hawana walinzi. Sisi tunakaa kama watu tunajilinda wenyewe. Mwihoko wa aikaria yani ati thirikari ni gukorwo igitangikira makaya mao na kihoto kiao kionekane. Handu-ini ha KMTC TV mutamburuko wa mohoro njitagwo Wainaina wa Kierie.